Hey, entrepreneurs! Are you ready to dive into a massive pool of potential revenue? I'm talking about federal contracts, a whopping $765 billion market just waiting to be tapped. That's right, the US government is the biggest buyer in the world, and they're constantly looking for businesses like yours to provide goods and services. Now you might be thinking, Kevin, that's for big corporations, not me. Wrong. The government has a mandate to award a significant portion of these contracts to small businesses. This means you have a real shot at securing a piece of this massive pie. Think about it. Consistent revenue, long-term contracts, and the prestige of working with the federal government. This isn't just about landing a single deal. It's about building a sustainable and profitable business for the long haul. So, are you ready to unlock your share of this incredible opportunity? Let's dive into the details and get you started on your journey to becoming a successful federal contractor. Before you dive headfirst into the world of federal contracts, it's crucial to understand the different types available. This isn't a one-size-fits-all scenario. The government uses various contract types, each with its own set of terms, conditions, and payment structures. One common type is as the name suggests, the price is fixed up front. This works well for projects with clearly defined scopes and minimal risk of changes. If you excel at delivering on budget and on time, this might be your sweet spot. Next, we have. These are used when the scope of work is less defined and costs might fluctuate. The government reimburses you for allowable expenses plus a fee. This type is ideal if your work involves research, development, or a higher degree of uncertainty. Finally, there are. These are best suited for projects requiring a flexible time frame and where the materials cost is a significant factor. You're paid for the hours worked and the materials used. Choosing the right contract type for your business is crucial. It impacts your risk level, payment terms, and overall profitability. Carefully analyze your capabilities, risk tolerance, and the specific requirements of each opportunity before diving in. Now that you understand the lay of the land, it's time to get your business ready to win those lucrative federal contracts. The first step is identifying your niche. What unique products or services can you offer the government? Focus on areas where you excel and where demand is high. Next, you'll need to register your business with the System for Award Management, SAM. Think of this as your business's passport to the world of government contracting. SAM registration is mandatory for bidding on and winning federal contracts. You'll also need to obtain a North American Industry Classification System, NAICS code, and a Dun & Bradstreet, DUNS, number. These codes help the government categorize your business and track your performance. They're essential for bidding on relevant contracts and building your credibility as a potential contractor. The government takes compliance seriously, and so should you. Federal contracts come with specific regulations and requirements that you must adhere to. Failure to comply can lead to penalties, contract termination, and even legal issues. One crucial aspect of compliance is obtaining the necessary certifications. These certifications demonstrate your commitment to meeting specific standards and regulations. For example, if you're a small business owned and operated by a woman, you might qualify for the Women-Owned Small Business (WOSB) certification. Other certifications include the 8A Business Development Program for Socially and Economically Disadvantaged Businesses, and the Hub Zone Program for businesses located in historically underutilized business zones. These certifications give you a competitive edge when bidding on contracts, finding your winning contract. Now comes the exciting part, finding the right contract opportunities for your business. Fortunately, the government offers numerous resources to help you navigate the vast sea of available contracts. Your first stop should be FedBizOps, the government's primary online platform for posting federal contracting opportunities. This website is a goldmine of information, listing thousands of available contracts across various industries and agencies. Another valuable resource is Subnet, a database specifically designed for small businesses seeking subcontracting opportunities. We'll delve deeper into subcontracting in the next section, but for now, understand that it's a fantastic way to get your foot in the door and gain valuable experience. Remember, finding the right contract is a numbers game. Don't be discouraged if you don't win the first few bids. Persistence is key. Keep refining your search, networking with government agencies, and submitting compelling proposals. Subcontracting, your piece of the pie. Subcontracting is a fantastic way for small businesses to break into the federal marketplace. It involves working under a prime contractor who has already secured a larger government contract. Think of it as partnering with a more experienced player to gain valuable experience and build your reputation. The beauty of subcontracting lies in its accessibility. Prime contractors often look for specialized skills and expertise that they might not possess in-house. This is where you come in. By offering your unique services as a subcontractor, you're essentially becoming a valuable asset to their team. Subcontracting offers several advantages. It allows you to work on substantial government projects without having to navigate the complexities of bidding for and managing an entire contract. You gain valuable experience, build relationships with prime contractors, and position yourself for future prime contracting opportunities. Remember, subcontracting is a stepping stone. As you gain experience and build your reputation, you'll be well positioned to compete for larger, more lucrative prime contracts down the line. The path to lasting wealth and stability. Securing federal contracts isn't just about landing a single deal. It's about building a sustainable and profitable business for the long haul. Government contracts offer a level of stability and predictability that's hard to find in the private sector. Imagine having a steady stream of revenue flowing into your business year after year. That's the power of securing long-term government contracts. This financial stability allows you to plan for the future, invest in your business, and create jobs, all while making a real difference. Moreover, working with the government enhances your business's credibility and reputation. It demonstrates your ability to meet stringent requirements and deliver high-quality products or services. This enhanced reputation can open doors to new markets, attract investors, and fuel your business's growth. Now that you understand the game's rules, let's talk winning strategies. Competition for federal contracts can be fierce, so it's essential to approach the process strategically. First and foremost, know your audience. Government agencies have specific needs and requirements. Take the time to research the agencies you're targeting and tailor your proposals to their specific pain points. Secondly, build relationships. Networking is crucial in government contracting. Attend industry events, connect with contracting officers, and join relevant associations. Building strong relationships can give you a competitive edge. Finally, be patient and persistent. Winning federal contracts takes time and effort. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Learn from your mistakes, refine your approach, and keep putting your best foot forward. Your proposal is your sales pitch. It's your opportunity to convince the government that you're the best choice for the job. A well-written proposal can make or break your chances of winning a contract. Clarity is key. Avoid jargon and technical terms that might confuse the reader. Use clear, concise language that's easy to understand. Highlight your unique qualifications and explain how you'll meet the government's specific needs. Don't be afraid to showcase your successes. Include case studies, testimonials, and relevant metrics that demonstrate your capabilities. Quantify your achievements whenever possible. Numbers speak louder than words. Finally, pay attention to the details. Proofread your proposal meticulously for any errors in grammar, spelling, or formatting. A polished proposal demonstrates professionalism and attention to detail. Networking is essential in the world of government contracting. Building relationships with key players can give you a significant advantage. But it's not just about shaking hands and exchanging business cards. It's about building genuine connections and establishing trust. Attend industry events, conferences, and workshops. These gatherings provide valuable opportunities to meet contracting officers, prime contractors, and other professionals in your field. Don't underestimate the power of online networking. Connect with relevant individuals and groups on LinkedIn and other social media platforms. Engage in discussions, share your expertise, and build your online presence. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Be helpful, offer value, and be genuinely interested in others. Building strong relationships takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. There you have it, entrepreneurs. The world of federal contracting is ripe with opportunity. With over $765 billion up for grabs, there's never been a better time to stake your claim. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to navigate the complexities of government regulations. But the rewards are well worth the effort. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap, embrace the challenge, and unlock your share of this incredible opportunity. The future of your business might just depend on it.